Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Google account on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now, to delete your Google account on your iPhone, you can do it from two ways simply. Either you can go from the YouTube to delete your Google account to proceed to your Google account from over here, or you can just open up your Gmail app on your iPhone. And after that, after opening your Gmail app, make sure to be logged into the account which you want to delete. And now to proceed from over here, after opening your Gmail, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the profile picture icon of your Google account. Tap on that profile picture icon and this kind of interface will be available, where you'll be required to tap on the manage your Google account option available over here. And after that, you'll be redirected to the Google account page of your Gmail or your Google account. Now, to proceed to delete your Google account from over here, you can see there is the data and privacy option available for us just beside the personal info. Tap on that data and privacy, and from over here, guys, scroll down to the bottom of the list, and guys, you will be able to spot the delete a Google service option available for over here. Now, in order to proceed our Google in order to delete our Google account, let's tap on the delete your Google option available over here. And on the next step, you'll be required to enter your password over here, guys, of your Google account which you want to delete. And after entering your password, guys, simply tap on the next, and then your Google account will be deleted. You will be able to retrieve it for until 30 days, but after 30 days, guys, your account won't be retrievable. And with that being said, this is how you delete your Google account on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.